everyone, I'm Tom. I'm a fourth year GPN student, and today we're going to check out the Cognitive Neuroimaging Center. Over here we have some offices for CNC staff. Shruthi and Stephanie are our amazing leaders here. If you come around the corner, we have lockers where you can leave your stuff. You could put things in there, and we have this special room called the Data Analysis Lounge. You want to come see it? So here in the Data Analysis Lounge, we sort of have like a projector and a conference room set up, so you can have lab meetings and little events. There's going to be computers in here as well. And then if we go around the corner here, there's a small kitchen. You can microwave your lunch, get some coffee. And then now we'll go check out the MRI suite. When you come in for a scan, the first thing you need to do is get changed into scrubs. So I'll show you the changing room first. We have some scrubs down here that people change into. They also get a mask because we're in the middle of a pandemic, and some special socks to keep their feet warm, and a little water bottle because we're hospitable. And then over here is where people get changed. They can keep their things in a locker. And then they come in here to get scanned. So this is our scanning suite. Everything has restricted access for safety. And as you can see, we've got quite a cool control room. Everything is extra spaced out right now for COVID safety. And something else that's really special is our little window. How often do you see an MRI scanner with a window? Never, because usually they're in the basement, but we're here on the first floor because we're cool. And you can see the snow outside. Alright, so now we just shut off the lights so you can get a better view of the scanner here. We have to be careful with how close we take the camera to the scanner because this is a 3 Tesla magnet, 60,000 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. So any metal that goes near there is going to get sucked right in. It's a dangerous situation that we want to avoid. So after the subject gets changed, and we wand them down for metal and give them some earplugs for hearing protection, they walk through these 2 ferromagnetic detectors, which are going to go off because I'm wearing headphones and a belt. And then, after they go through here, they're good to get scanned. So I'm here at the control center for the scanner, and we're going to talk really quick about some of the different kinds of scans we can take. We can take structural scans to look at brain anatomy, functional scans to look at brain activity, and then diffusion scans to look at like white matter tracks and things like that. So up here on the screen, I have a structural scan pulled up that was acquired recently from the Ling Lab, and you can see 3 different views of the brain. We've got our coronal, sagittal, and axial slices here. We can scroll through and look at the brain anatomy.
Hi everybody, I'm Shruthi. I'm the assistant director here. So I'm going to quickly talk about all the other peripheral system that we have here that is used for data collection. So if you come back here, this tower here has all our peripheral equipment right here. So we have a projection system which is sitting in the back of the scanner right there. So you can display your task on the screen inside the scanner, and the participants will be able to see it inside the scanner. The other peripheral system that we have here are the BioPack system. So you can get physiological measurements like the pulse ox, respiration, and GSR. We also have a very fancy audio system, the sensometric system. So they have like in-ear headphones, and you can do any audio studies with that as well. And we also have the response box. So users use that inside the scanner, and they get the response recorded on their stimulus computer.
Hey, so now we're over by the main entrance of the imaging center, and right now this entrance is closed due to the pandemic. But if you follow me, I can show you some of the other facilities that are available to you as a researcher. If we go this way, into this room here, we have a mock scanner. So this looks like an MRI scanner, but it's actually just a big hunk of plastic, and there's no magnet. So you can have participants lay down here. This would be great if you're scanning children or a clinical population where they would need to acclimate to the scanning conditions and practice before doing the actual scan. It would also be helpful if there's any sort of population you're scanning that you're expecting to move around a lot. We have a sensor in here that can beep when they're moving, and that can help the participant learn how to stay absolutely still, which is crucial for getting good quality images. We also have several testing rooms throughout this hallway, some for children, some are equipped with EEG or FNIRS as well, and then some are also perfect for any sort of cognitive study. We've got computers set up in there. We also have an exercise room with a treadmill where if you were doing an exercise study, you could use that as well. We're going to end the tour here with a quick view of the 9th floor, which I like to call the penthouse. So follow me over here for a view of the Charles River, and I'm going to leave some contact information here. You can let us know if you have any questions at all about BU or the Cognitive Neuroimaging Center. Hope to see you all soon throughout the interview weekend.